Hello everyone, welcome to 2026 InfoComm. Here we're at Las Vegas. My name is Jim Fan. I'm the founder of ClearLED. I'm showcasing you some of our latest design of our flagship product line called the Wall Series Rental. We are combining our latest micro mesh technology of the circuit board design, offering a improved transparency and still maintain our flagship cabinet design that is easy for rental. If you come, and this one we're showing is a 3.9 millimeter rental product is 3.9 by 3.9 and 6,000 nit brightness. Over that side is a 7.8 by 7.8 ultra transparent rental product, and it's also 6,000 nits brightness. Come in the back with me, I'll show you the cabinet design. This one is a meter by half a meter cabinet with curved locks and handles, making it easy for touring and rental panels, easy setup and tear down. And on the other side, if you come over, this is the 7.8 millimeter. We're showcasing the meter by meter cabinet. Both cabinets are available for different pixel pitch. We're just showcasing different factors. This one is also easy for touring, plug and play, and is about 80% transparent. Okay, for more information, visit our website. It's www.clearled.com.